Is it feasible to generate passive income with $5,000 per month using ChatGPT and Midjourney AI or other AI platform? Earning money without actively participating or consistently putting in work on your part is sometimes referred to as passive income. While AI technology may offer a wide range of solutions and services, including data analysis, content creation, and customer assistance, they typically need active management, supervision, and customization. You may want to think about the following strategies in order to make money with AI platforms. Become a partner or associate of Midjourney AI. Verify whether Midjourney AI has any affiliate or partnership opportunities. By signing up for these programs, you can promote their services and earn a commission or referral fee. Provide insightful content. Provide information that highlights ChatGPT and Midjourney AI's advantages and applications. These might be case studies, tutorials, films, or blog entries. Concentrate on offering helpful information and resolving frequent problems or difficulties that prospective users may encounter. Advertise your material. Distribute your content on pertinent websites, industry-specific forums, social media accounts, and other online spaces. Participate in the community and position yourself as an authority on chatbots and artificial intelligence. Provide affiliate links. Integrate your partnership or affiliate links into your writing. These links will track your referrals, and if someone uses them to make a purchase or join up for Midjourney AI's services, you'll be paid a commission. Provide advice or implementation services. Businesses interested in utilizing ChatGPT and Midjourney AI can benefit from your advice or implementation services if you have experience with chatbot development or AI installation. This can be an opportunity to use technology to make extra money. Create a mailing list. Make an email list of interested people or companies that are searching for chatbot or AI services. Offer insightful articles and updates about ChatGPT and Midjourney AI. And from time to time, let your subscribers know about special deals or discounts. Always strive to increase your knowledge. Keep up with the most recent developments in chatbots, AI, and related technologies. Participate in training sessions, seminars, and webinars to expand your knowledge and give your audience insightful information. Recall that generating passive income needs persistent work and commitment. It's critical to establish credibility, add value to your audience, and stay involved in the AI and chatbot communities. We advise going to Midjourney AI's official website and looking through the partnership and affiliate sections if you want to sign up for their partnership or affiliate program. There, you might find information about their program, requirements for eligibility, and application guidelines. For the most accurate and recent information, get in touch with them directly via any application forms or contact details that are listed on their website. As an alternative, you might look for the Midjourney AI Affiliate Program or Midjourney AI Partnership Program online to see if any pertinent data or resources are available to the general public. Here are some tips to think about when it comes to producing excellent content, particularly in the context of promoting ChatGPT and Midjourney AI. Educative blog entries. Write enlightening essays outlining the capabilities, advantages, and applications of AI chatbots. Pay particular attention to how Midjourney AI and ChatGPT precisely handle typical problems or offer novel answers. Provide readers with helpful hints, case studies, or detailed instructions to help them better comprehend the technology. Make videos that show off ChatGPT's features or provide instructions on how to utilize Midjourney AI's chatbot platform. Provide walkthroughs, demos, or actual case studies that illustrate the technology's usefulness and future uses. Articles that compare. Compare ChatGPT and the chatbot platform from Midjourney AI with other comparable products available in the market. Examine the benefits and drawbacks of other platforms and provide a dispassionate evaluation of what makes Midjourney AI unique. Take into account elements like cost, integrations, customization possibilities, and ease of use. Study cases. Provide case studies or success stories of companies or organizations that have used the chatbot service from Midjourney AI. Describe the particular difficulties they encountered and the ways in which ChatGPT enabled them to succeed. Incorporate quantifiable outcomes such as heightened consumer involvement, enhanced conversion rates, or reduced expenses. Expert interviews or guest posts. Work with professionals in the field to offer their knowledge on AI chatbots, customer service, or related subjects. You can also invite guest bloggers to contribute. This can give your work more credibility and a variety of viewpoints. FAQs and instructions for troubleshooting. Make a list of the most common inquiries concerning ChatGPT and the chatbot platform offered by Midjourney AI. Provide detailed answers or troubleshooting advice in response to frequently asked questions or problems that users may run into. Articles about thought leadership. Tell us what you think will happen to conversational AI chatbots in the future and how automation will affect different industries. Provide your thoughts on new developments in the industry best practices, or moral issues. Always keep in mind to create visually beautiful, audience-friendly, and captivating content. To improve your content's visibility in search results, incorporate pertinent keywords and search engine optimization. In order to build a feeling of community and increase the visibility of your work, you should also encourage readers to share, comment on, and engage with your content. In order to attract a larger audience and increase traffic to your quality material, content promotion is essential. The following are some methods for efficiently promoting your content. Social media marketing. Post links to your material on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and other social media sites. Create captivating posts by incorporating pertinent hashtags, captivating text, and visually appealing images. To improve visibility, ask your fans to like, share, and comment on your postings. Email marketing. Create a list of subscribers who are interested in chatbots, artificial intelligence, or similar subjects. Send out newsletters on a regular basis with your most recent information, updates, and special deals. Make your emails interesting, educational, and personalized to entice recipients to click through and read your information. Guest posting. Make an offer to write guest articles on other websites, blogs, or online publications that are relevant to your audience. Provide a backlink to your work in the article's body or your author bio. This gives you access to new readers and allows you to reach established ones. Reaching out to prominent people or industry experts in chatbot or AI is known as influencer outreach. You can mention them in your posts or share your material with them directly. If they think your content is worthwhile, they might tell their followers about it, which would increase your audience. Online forums and communities. Take part in discussions on chatbots, AI, and digital marketing on these platforms. Participate in conversations, offer insightful commentary, and respond to inquiries. Provide links to your content as a helpful resource when the time is right. Refrain from spamming and always abide by the community guidelines. Content syndication. Look into websites that republish content from different sources or content syndication services. Contribute your work to these sites to expand your audience and boost brand awareness. Partnerships and collaborations. Work together with influencers, companies in related industries, or other content producers. Co-create materials such as podcasts, blog articles, webinars, or joint ventures, or cross-promote each other's content. By doing this, you may increase your reach and make use of each other's networks. SEO optimization. Use relevant keywords, meta tags, and descriptions to make your material more search engine friendly. Make sure your blog or website is responsive to mobile devices, has a user-friendly layout, and loads quickly. By doing this, you raise your chances of getting organic visitors and showing up in search engine results. Paid advertising. Take into account launching campaigns for sponsored content, social media ads, or Google ads. To increase visibility and interaction, target your ads to relevant audiences based on their interests, demographics, or online activity. Don't forget to use analytic tools to monitor the effectiveness of your content promotion campaigns. This enables you to determine which channels are bringing in the most visitors and interactions, which will help you to gradually improve your promotion plan. It's crucial to include affiliate links in your writing ethically and transparently. The following are some rules to abide by. Select relevant goods and services. Choose affiliate networks and goods or services that complement the content you produce and are pertinent to your audience. In this situation, search for any applicable AI chatbot programs or affiliate programs for Midjourney AI. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it amazing, don't forget to hit that like button below. And if you want to stay updated with more great content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the red button and ringing the notification bell so you never miss any future content from us. Your support means the world to us.